Good morning, students. This is our lecture number 5 related to the topic or chapter number 5 primary activities. Today we will discuss about the commercial livestock rearing. This is the second type of nomadic herding. As the demand of animal products increases in the world, the livestock rearing activity becomes commercial. Some important characteristics of commercial livestock rearing are: first, commercial livestock rearing is the characteristic of the new world. In this world, in the present day world, the demand of the animal products such as milk, meat, wool and skin, hides is increasing day by day, and so the livestock rearing is becoming commercial in this new world, such as different portion or different parts of the world practiced it as an commercial activity, such as prairies of North America, pampas of South America, wild of South Africa, downs of Australia and the grassland of New Zealand. All these names like prairies, pampas, veld, and downs. These are the names of the grasslands which are spoken in different countries, or we can say the grasslands are pronounced in different forms in the different countries of the world. Second, in this activity, animals do not move from one place to another place. Instead of this, they are reared at a fixed place, and permanent ranches houses are built to take care of these animals. Animals are brought up on scientific basis, scientific breeding, scientific feeding. These are practiced in this type of commercial livestock rearing. Animals are properly looked after uh, for their fodder, for their breeding, for their development. Every aspect is properly looked after by the commercial livestock rearer. This is a specialized activity in which only one type of animal is reared. As we discussed in the nomadic herding, many types of animals were reared by a single pastoralist. But in this type, only pastoralist concentrate only one type of animal. Important animals of this category are sheep, cattle, goats and horses. So it is a large scale activity in developed countries because the main purpose of the production is to sell in the market, and the different very big ranches are made, different buildings are built to for the animals. The commercial ranchers specialize on the animal and the products for which the region is best suited. Uh, Ranches, different ranches are made in this activity, and ranches are also divided in different portions. When the grass is finished in one portion, the animals are moved to the second portion of the ranches. And the products of for which the region is best suited, in which country it is a depend upon the climate of that country, which product is produced in this country or suited to the country, that product is produced in that ranches. It chiefly consists of the production of milk, meat, wool, hides, and skins for sale at national and international level to earn money. In nomadic herding, the production is only for the family members or for the local market. But in this type of rearing, production is for the national or international level. The main aim of pastoralist or commercial livestock rearing is to earn money. In commercial livestock rearing, natural grass is often supplemented by fodder crops. With natural grass, some fodder crops is also grown for the animals in this type of livestock rearing. Now some important areas of livestock rearing, commercial livestock rearing. We will discuss it into the part B